Today we are doing a review on an ESDDI Softbox lighting kit. Basically you get two of everything except for the carry case. You only get one of them, but you get two light bulbs, you get two stands, you get two soft boxes, everything you need to do videos or photography where you need a good constant light. You might want to invest in something like this. So with that, what we're going to do, we'll do the unboxing so you can see exactly what you get for your money and set her up and see how good she is. So the two stands that come with it, they can go from 27 inches up to a maximum of 79 inches, or if you preferred 66 centimetres to 200 centimetres, depending on what part of the world you're in and how you work out your calculations. They cut really nice. So yeah, I've bought stuff from ESDDI in the past and I've had no issues with it whatsoever. So I'm hoping I won't have any issues with this as well. Right, let's have a look, see what you get for your money. So it should come, like I said, with two of everything except for the actual bag itself. There should only be one of them. So first things first, that feels like the actual soft box itself. Could be wrong, but that's what it feels like. Let's have a quick look. Yep, so you've got the soft box. Move that out of the way. That's your cover to go over the front. We'll sort that out in a minute. This is like an umbrella sort of effect. It will have silver inside to reflect as much light into the right direction, and the bulb will go in there. Like so, move that out of the way. So that will just unfold, that will push back like that, I would imagine. So like that, and then you put your bulb in first and then just cover that over, as you can see. Yeah, that's basically how it works. Sort that out in a minute. So that's one of your soft boxes, so that'd be exactly the same. Instructions showing you how to use it. These are your light bulbs. Be careful with these. These are energy efficient light bulbs and they give you 800 watts of power, which is equivalent to 5,500k lighting. Let's have a look at one, shall we? So yeah, energy efficient, and they've got ESDDI written on there as well. So yeah, they look very nice and they should be perfect for what we need them to do, which is give you the perfect lighting apart from sunlight. Again, same thing. I'm getting them out, these babies, because I'm going to be setting them up in a minute. So that's them out of the way. And then we add the stands. Look very nice. This is like a locking mechanism up here. So you can lock them, and they're your adjustment for your height. Yeah, look very nice. What I'm going to do now is move the camera about and show you how easy it is to set them up. Let's see how easy it is to put together. It should be really easy. I've done a few of these before already, but just so you can have an understanding on how easy or how difficult they are to do, I'm going to do an assembly just for you. So basically, I showed you this bit earlier. You just push that back, slide it into the hole, and it's like a magnet, so that will hold it in place. Cable, I will measure up for you in a bit and tell you exactly what it is, or how long it is. So that's that bit done. Put the bulb in a minute. What we're going to do, let's get the stand out, the light stand. Open her up. Don't forget to release this, it makes it a lot easier. Should go down like that. So basically you have it down like that, so that's about right. Do it back up so it don't drop down, and then extend the arms. So that's one. You should have about two. So So yeah, it's going to hit my ceiling, so we're not going to have it that way. Put it down to about there. I'm going to connect this baby. Now you can put this normally two ways. One is the standard way, which is like so. Put it on there like that, and then you go like that. But if you want it that way, you can also do it like that as well. Like I said, it has two different ways of doing it, basically. That way, or actually three, you can even do it that way if you wanted. But we're going to do it the normal way, which is like that. So that will just drop down, do that up. That will hold it into place. So that will stop it coming off the stand. And then to adjust this, you have another adjustment there on the side, and that will hold it in place. Before it's going to fall over then. So that is that bit. Now we're going to put the light bulb in. Again, it should be quite easy to do. Light bulb, just screw it in. Doesn't have to be super tight, just needs to be, you know, hand tight. And then we're going to put the cover on. Again, it should be quite easy to do. These are normally just velcroed. There's little velcro strips around the side, there's 4 of them. That's all you need. Get out of the way for now, I'll pick up in a bit. So this material here, this little stuff here, it's designed to reflect as much light outwards, so you get the best performance. So that's inside out. So we're going to do the top first. So just go for the corners first, stick it over the corners, like so. And then we can work on the Velcro bits. So that's that, and then just go around doing the Velcro. That bottom. And that is it. That is how easy it is to assemble one of these. Really easy. So how high can I go in this room? Not very high, I would have thought. We're going to find out. Yeah, so that's on my ceiling. So I'll have it around about that height normally. And we're going to plug her in. So I need some electrics. So give me a second while I sort out my electrics. Right, let's plug her in, turn her on, and voila. There you go. So that is a softbox, and that is how easy it is to set one up. You don't have to have this on. You can just leave it off and have it just like that if you need extra lighting. But the idea of something like this is to diffuse it. So it's not too hard and it's not directional. It's sort of spread out. That is the idea behind one of these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up my other one. That was really easy. That's how easy it is to do a softbox. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, so I thought I'd show you one with the diffuser on and one without a diffuser on, so you've got a good idea of what you can expect, whether you have the cover on or the cover off. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to tell you about the specs and all the different materials that they've used, and then I'm going to give you my final opinion. So give me a second. The light bulbs, high effective 3 primary colours, fluorescent tube. They're safe, flame retardant, energy saving, and daylight colour is 5500K, and the model is the E27 sockets. The lights can be adjusted 210 degrees up and down, and you can put it on the side if you wanted to, and it will still be adjusted left and right 210 degrees. So it has plenty of flexibility. These lights are perfect whether you want to use it on a person or product, or even if you want it used as a bit of background lighting. These, I think, are perfect. The reflectors are made of a high quality nylon embossed stone pattern to create enough brightness to light up your products. And the diffuser panels are made of PET fibre to make softer lighting. Let's get back to Yorkie. Right then, so what do I think? Yeah, I like them. I think they're nice quality. They don't feel like a cheap material or anything like that. They're easy to assemble, and they're going to be just as easy to pack up and ship out to somewhere else or another location, wherever I'm filming. You don't have to use them just to light up a product. You can actually use them as a background as well. Background bit of light and put it on a wall or something like that. So there's more than just using it on a product. So most professionals will use some sort of soft boxing like this in their videos or even in their photography. So whether you're doing photography or videos, I would highly recommend these. They don't feel cheap, they feel like a good quality. And yeah, I'm pleased. For the amount of money you're paying, you're getting a whole kit. You're getting two of everything and they all go into a nice little bag. So with that, I definitely get my thumbs up. I'm very pleased with them. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.